Hey y'all, welcome back to If It Ain't Cheap, I'm Not Buying It. Today I am working on another DIY for Be My Boo Valentine's collaboration. And just got off track because I noticed that was leaking. So went out into the garage, fabulous garage, and I found this love sign that I got like probably about a year ago. I know they probably have them out again at the Dollar Tree for the love, L-O-V-E in gold. And I decided that I am going to brighten it up a little bit. So let's get all you're gonna need is some glue. And I'm using clear glue, a large paintbrush, like so, and then your glitter. Now because this is gold, I am going to use gold on this. This is the glitter that I have, and then I have some bigger chunk ones. That's like the iridescent mixed with it. And all I'm going to do is add a layer of glue. Hopefully this paintbrush is not too old and destroyed. I can get this done real quick and easy upgrade to the love sign from the Dollar Tree. Even your kids can get on, your grandkids can get on a nice Saturday cold day and do this project with you. And it's just very simple, nice, fast, and easy. So I am putting a generous amount of glue. It's sliding down, so you may want to cover down in the bottoms of the letters. That way it'll give like a 3D effect. And that's all I'm doing. Make sure you have something to catch the extra glitter so you can put that back in your jar. And this is nice, you know, for maybe your bookshelf. It can stay out all year long, not just for Valentine's. So I think I got enough glitter on this side. And the back, I'm going to show you after I sprinkle some of this off. It's just plain black here. So let's see if I can get the bigger chunks. So I hope you guys are going to participate in Be My Boo for Valentine's collaboration. All the information will be down in the description box, and you can also check the link for all my open invites for 2022, and it's also on my community tab. I have some fabulous open invites for this year, and hope we get a lot of participants. I should just leave that plain. I'm trying to see how it would look standing up versus it all with the glitter. I think I'm gonna go ahead and do the top part of this. you know, you could do these in any color. You could have did it in red, pink. I'm just doing it in gold because after you know, Valentine's Day, I'm gonna sit this on top of my fireplace, and that's it. So I did this in under what, 10 minutes. You let it dry, and then when it's completely dry, I say in the day, you just go right back over it with Mod Podge or whatever type of glue that you use, and you seal it. So I hope that you enjoyed this video and get a little bit of inspiration for some easy DIYs. Not a lot of expense, $1 for the sign and $2.97 for the glitter. So let me know your thoughts. You'll be seeing this in my upcoming Be My Boo for Valentine's in February. And with that being said, I hope you subscribe, hit the like button. Don't forget to leave me a lovely comment. And I'll see y'all in another video. And as I always say, ciao. If it ain't cheap, I'm not buying it. Y'all stay blessed. Bye-bye.